3 steps for setting career goals ahead of the new year. As a eventful new year draws to a close, it's time to look ahead to 2021. The new year is about change and fresh start, so naturally, it's when many people start reviewing their careers and considering their next step. While setting goals and resolution can be a great way to generate renewed energy and focus for the upcoming months, it's easy to fall into the trap of generic, hard to track objectives that do more discourage and confuse you than launch you to new heights. To avoid this, it's important to look at career and establish clear targets that you can actually measure and achieve. Here are 3 key steps to help you set career goals that will set you up for success in 2021. Step 1. Reflect and review. Before you begin setting new goals, take a moment to pause and reflect on the past 12 months, including what you have achieved, challenges you have focused, and areas you could improve your performance. In addition to looking back at the past year, you should also review your career path to date. How you grown over the last few years? Can you see a clear progression? Are you striving towards a particular objective, role, or business milestone? And is this the same as it was a year ago? Remember, a lot can change in a short period, so regularly reviewing your career journey is vital for setting goals that will get you where you want to go in the long run. Step 2. Set well thought out goals. Once you have been, it's time to look at where you want to go. Being by writing down a list of potential goals, which you can then use a starting point to one in on what you ultimately want to achieve. It's a good idea to set a mix of both short and long term objectives that will propel you towards your career aspirations. Some of these targets might be reachable with just a few months, such as perfecting your SQL skills, while others might span 2021 and take you one step closer to your final destination, such as gaining new experiences that will support you in becoming a software engineer manager. Whatever your goals you set, it's important to ensure they are well thought out. The most effective goals are SMART, meaning they are specific. Your goal should be specific, clear, and well defined. Make sure you know exactly what you want to accomplish, why it matters, what's involved, and what resources are needed. Measurable. Each goal must be easily quantifiable so that you can track your progress and stay motivated. Achievable. Your goal should be realistic and attainable within your time and resources constraints, but still challenging enough to push you. Relevant. When setting goals, make sure they align with your bigger picture of where you want to be in the future. Time bound. Determine how long the goal will take to accomplish and set a time frame for it. This point is especially vital because many of us subconsciously use deadlines to drive action. Step 3. Create a detailed action plan. Setting your goals is an important step, but it's only half of equation. Implementation is the part that many people struggle with, which is why a lot of New Year's resolutions end up being wishful thinking rather than practical roadmaps. It's easy to get focused on the outcomes that you forget about the process that leads to achieving them. Visualize your endpoint and build a comprehensive action plan to get there. This will give you clarity and direction as you move towards the goals. Your action plan might be include making a list of all the individual steps and milestones that will lead to achieve your target, crossing off each one as you complete it. Putting each step in your calendar to help you stay on the track. Displaying your goals in a visible place to remind of you where you are ahead. Reaching out to a friend, mentor, or recreator who can give you advice and serve as an accountability partner. Conducting periodic reviews to check your progress and ensure your goals are still relevant. In the end, as you wrap up the year and prepare for a clean slate in January, setting career goals will help you to get most out of the fresh new year. The trick is to be intentional with your goals, putting a considerate and deliberate strategy in place to ensure you achieve what you want to. When it comes to accomplishing your career goal, you don't have to do it alone.